Before I get this video started, please hit the red subscribe button down below to stay updated and get notifications when new videos come out. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button down below. Now, let's get to the photo shoot. Now, with this photo shoot, I'm going to be using, the Rooster Teeth's $1 Million Butt card game for inspiration behind this photo shoot. Now, the idea I have with this is to be using it more or less as a poker game type setup with my lights. For that, I'll be using So with this photo shoot, to get the look of a photo game, I'll be using my reflector and a 30-degree grid. Now what the grid does, it focuses the light and makes it almost like a spotlight. So as you can see my face, but as I turn it, it goes black. So that's how a grid works. It actually is focusing the light so it doesn't spill anywhere. So you don't. So it looks more like a spotlight or overhead light was what I'm going for. Now with a 30-degree grid, you get a little more of a leeway, as you can see there. So you get a little bit of leeway. It's not super focused, so it's not too bad. With smaller grids, it would be super focused. So you have to be on point with the actual grid. So enough of this talk. Let's get to the photo shoot. So the idea with this is to actually get high enough so it looks like a spotlight on me. So I want to take a seat here and see. So as you can see here, that where I'm sitting, you can't really see the light here. So we're going to lower it, not lower it, actually tilt it up a little. So down a little bit. So as you can see the light, I'll move it over, but that's what it kind of does. So yeah, let's tilt it over towards me a little bit so we can get the actual shot. There we go. Now the camera is now on me, so we're good to go with that. Let's make sure my camera over there is where I need it to be so we can get the shot. I'll be using the Fuji X100T like all my shots. Also, I'll be using the teleconverter on it too, so that'll give me a little extra depth of field since it increases it to about a 50mm-ish. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Angle I want. Let's make sure we have the lighting the way I like it. So I'll probably be shooting this at a 1/25th of a second because then it doesn't really matter about these lights. Oop, cancel. This. And I'm using my phone as a trigger too because it's easier. Focus. Bump up the flash a little bit. Fire. Not too much, I think. So yeah, definitely a little too much. And I want to bring this closer. We're not seeing the table that much, so we're going to do a little test with my bounce card. Since we're not seeing the table, if I can use this as a bounce. I should get a real bounce. So we're going to try that instead. Let's first try it with the reflector. Then we'll go on to probably just a regular bounce. Because, yeah, this might be a little too much. No, it's not hitting me. It's not. That's the reason why. It's not hitting me at all. So, we're going to move the light. It's a lot better. Let's move the light just a little bit, and I think we'll get the shot. Better. And that might be a little too much, so let's try the white. Definitely recommend if you're getting a 5-in-1 reflector, because it does make life a lot easier. Doing something. There we go. Try this. So much better. Not as harsh. And it's white, so we're good to go. So let's get everything set up and let's do this. Okay. Just finished shooting, and I think they turned out pretty well. Now, with the look I'm looking for, I'm actually going to be doing some edit with it. I'm actually going to be adding a green filter to it. Now, if I had a green gel, I'll be doing that, but since I don't, I'll be using it in Lightroom, so there'll be a link somewhere that I'll post to when the video comes out, which should be tomorrow for the edit. So, yeah, let me go ahead and clean up, and we'll call it a wrap. So if you guys enjoyed this video at all, please hit the like and share button down below. I really appreciate when I get some thumbs up, and it makes me feel like I'm doing something correct with this. Also, hit the red subscribe button down below to stay updated and get notifications when new videos come out like these, which I'm trying to do it every Monday, so see if I can keep that going. So on that note, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.